drowning in tasks and struggling to keep your projects organized. Trello is a visual project management tool designed to bring order to your chaos, and in the next minute and a half, we'll show you how it works. First, let's talk about boards. Think of a Trello board as a digital whiteboard for a specific project. You can create a board for anything, from planning a vacation to managing a complex software development project. Inside each board, you'll find lists. These lists represent the different stages of your project. Common examples are to do, in progress, and completed, but you can customize them to fit your specific workflow. Now, let's get to the heart of Trello. Cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items that need to be done. Click at a card within any list and fill it in. You can add a title, detailed descriptions, due dates, checklists, attachments, and even assign them to specific team members. The real magic of Trello lies in its drag-and-drop functionality. As you work on a task, simply drag its card from one list to the next, visually tracking its progress. Trello also makes collaboration a breeze. You can comment on cards, tag team members, and get real-time updates on project progress. Trello also offers integrations with other tools and advanced features like automation. Trello is intuitive and adaptable, making it perfect for both individual use and team projects. So, ditch the sticky notes, embrace Trello, and transform the way you manage your tasks today.